If you have the iPhone updated to iOS 15, you will have hidden in the settings a native option to reproduce background noises, deciding if you want them to stop when you listen to content or not. These background noises can help you in various contexts, such as relaxing, resting, or concentrating. You can usually find many specific third-party apps, but Apple has now introduced this feature natively, with sounds of waves, a river, and rain, or pink, white, and brown noises. The first thing you have to do is enter the iOS settings. For this, you just have to open the settings application that is pre-installed on your iPhone, and which has the icon of a gear wheel. The options we are looking for are quite hidden. To find them, once inside the iOS settings, you have to enter the accessibility section, which is the one that has options for the operating system for special needs. In the accessibility options, now you have to go down to the hearing section. In it, click on the audio visual option, which will appear with an icon in which you can see a speaker and an eye. You will enter a screen where you can see various settings related to the sound and the visual aspect of the iPhone. In them, you have to go to the audio section and click on the background sounds option that will appear. Here, you'll see a description that tells you that sounds can minimize distractions and help you focus, relax, or rest. A screen will appear where you configure the background sounds. At the top, you have the switch to activate them, and below the option to choose which one to use. Below, you can adjust the volume as well as the operation of the sounds, choosing if you want them to continue playing while you play other multimedia content, or if you stop them or not when the phone is locked. When you click on sound on the background sounds configuration screen, you will enter to configure the type of sound you want to hear. A list will appear in which you have to select the sound, and that will be what you start to listen to.